Hey, welcome guys, and Arita-chan, thank you very much for joining me again. I mean, you're like the only friend I have here right now, so...
Yeah, clearly.
Thank you, really appreciate it. Anyway, my friend Harmony, she actually brought a couple of assortments of KitKats. But what's gonna happen is that we have 6 flavors that we've never even heard of. We're gonna be blindfolded, we're gonna try them. We're gonna see who gets the correct answer the most.
The most correct answers.
The most that. Shall we start?
I'm ready. Thank you.
Alright.
It smells like coffee? Almost?
It's more like vanilla?
Oh, maybe.
It tastes like white chocolate.
I think it's a little more than that.
What are your guesses?
3, 2, 1. Matcha.
The answer is... Done?
Whoa, that's what's up.
Off to a great
Alright.
start.
Plates are you guys.
Now this is coffee.
Actually, I have no idea.
Yeah, okay, I'm ready.
Peanut
Tiramisu.
butter.
The answer is...
It's crazy, I've never even seen this before.
Hojicha roasted green tea. But it's a good idea.
It tastes good.
It tasted like, once I'm told that it's hojicha, it tastes like hojicha.
Now, come on now.
Okay.
Oh, I'm excited.
Oh,
Raspberry?
whoa. This is definitely a fruit.
Yeah. Strawberry.
It's like a
raspberry. Oh, so it's not just a fruit.
I have no idea at this point.
I think I got it.
I'm not even gonna guess.
Okay. Raisins.
Raisin? Oh, it's white.
Oh, what? I'm half right.
Round 4.
Let's go.
Oh my god, wow. That is potent. Okay, I think I know what this is. This is pretty easy, I think. I think the fruit is a watermelon.
Yes. I think so too.
No, it's not. Eh!
What? Wow, like
Never
that is
guessed that. It
watermelon.
tasted like a watermelon Jolly Rancher.
Yes, it did.
5.
Round 5. Let's go.
Yeah, this is so easy. Oh my god. All day, I know what this is.
Really?
I love this actually. Japanese sake.
You're not gonna trick me.
Yay! That was easy. Had
Also-
that rice aftertaste.
Add the aftertaste, right? Exactly. It's like those, you know, those Belgian chocolates with, you know, alcohol in it.
No idea.
Okay.
I'm like feeling for it, but it's not there. Oh, here it is. Oh no, this is hard. What?
Whoa.
I'm surprised you guys seem to be enjoying it.
Oh! I think I know what it is. What's your answer?
Fermented beans.
Eh?
Natto.
I thought it was karashi,
Oh.
like the mustard. I think it's karashi.
Damn it.
I was close. My favorite was the nihonshu. Oh no. It's tied with roasted green tea.
I liked the Japanese sake though.
Yeah.
For sure. Yeah, I really like the Japanese sake.